we can upload this chart, or you can say dashboard, on my cloud. Let me say name it dashboard. I'll go in home and click on publish. For publishing, you have to must first click make your login on your Power BI website. Yes, I want to save this first. I'll save it as, say, dashboard 7th May. So you can choose workspace, which is available on your login. I'll say my workspace is my default one. Let publish there only. So it try to push your data on your cloud. Once it's done, it give you a hyperlink from where you can get the view of this. I say click. As I have already been logged in on the site, so it is not asking me login. Otherwise, it always be asked for login. You must carry your login handy while you are publishing it to preview this data. So in my workspace, I'm having reports. You can choose your report which you recently published. This dashboard 7. It is there with full functionality. You can share it with your company if you are having Power BI Pro login. Then you can download, and you can do basic iterations. Say if you want to add filters, you can add filters, and if you want to change your data source, you can do the change in data source. There are so many options are there, but for this series of videos, we are working on this part of Power BI. So we do have handling permission policy for users. We do have option of handling your permissions pertaining to editing your data visualizer dashboard. It means user can change data or not, or user can click on this filters or not, or some other rules can be also be applied on before giving to end user. And it is viewing this Power BI is normally free. This doesn't require any license for that viewing. But if you want to share and with your respective company stakeholder, then you have to have Power BI Pro license. That's it for us. I close it.